Now line starting to take shape for the final trial. Packed to the Rafters, G-Force, Love the Moment are all locked away. Here's Yes Sir coming up. Lights on, he didn't hold them, they're away and racing. G-Force began quite smartly in the centre of runners and Yes Sir slipping up outside him. Then a length and a half back to Love the Moment, Packed to the Rafters back at the rear. Off the back they come in search of the 600 and Yes Sir running along. Leads about 2 lengths now to G-Force in second place. Third then went Love the Moment, and back last would be Packed to the Rafters. Approaching the 400, Yes Sir, running them along, about 3 in front of G-Force, 4 away then Love the Moment, Packed to the Rafters back at the rear. They properly straighten up, 300 a run, and the leader, Yes Sir, she's cuddling it, about a length and a half to the good of G-Force. Love the Moment under the whip, further back, Packed to the Rafters, 150 left to run. The leader, Yes Sir, on the outside, G-Force is having a crack at him. It's G-Force and Yes Sir and G-Force, they hit the line. G-Force got the bob of the head. He beat Yes Sir a nostril, 3 away third, Love the Moment, and the last one over the line, Packed to the Rafter. The big red got there right on the line.